Hi guys, it's me, Miss Gawdland, the winner of RuPaul's Drag Race UK versus the world, and I'm here at Lotte Clinic because I have skin problem. I am a superstar, but my skin has a problem, so I have to fix that.
As you can see on your cheek, you also have this acne scar. We call it the rolling scar. I will make an appointment again within a month, and then we will see the result, how things go for you, and how things improve for you. Okay?
Yes! I'm back at Lotte Clinic with 1 month of scar pampering with Juvgen 3D here with the Lotte Clinic, and y'all, this is the best decision that I have ever made in my entire life for the skin. Baby, the scar freaking disappear. It's getting better. For me, it's 70% to 80% actually, and the result is crazy because when I do the makeup, I mean right after I did it, the next day after I did this treatment, baby, I have to go out for the event for the Devil Wears Prada, and I just used the foundation, and y'all, it's freaking disappear. I'm so amazed with the result, and I admit that when we did it, it's kind of a little bit hurting, you know. I'm not gonna lie to you, a little bit hurt, but the result is deserving.
Okay, so this is the first time after 1 month of the Juvgen 3D, right?
Yes.
So how do you feel?
For me, as a drag queen, as a performer, I have to do the makeup. And I know that like my acne scar a little bit disappear. I think for me, it's 60% to like 80% disappear. Like it get, fulfilled, and it makes my skin look more flawless. And that's how I feel.
Right?
Yeah.
Especially for someone who do the makeup a lot,
Exactly.
right? You will notice the difference a lot, right?
Exactly. And also people around me get noticed from my skin also, and they ask me, what did you do with your skin? Why it looks like better? And it's Juvgen 3D here at Lotte Clinic.
Oh, wow, that's so good.
Yeah. Happy Mike.
You can see that all the acne scars are all improved.
Yeah.
Especially on your like temporal area over
Yes.
here, you can notice that the depth of the acne scar is improved a lot.
Yeah.
Just a little blackness over here, which I think that will be more improved after like 6 months later. And also on your cheek too, I think that the depth is also better.
Yeah.
As you can see on the left side, it's also improved too.
Very
the depth
clear.
of the acne scar and everything. Yeah, that's so good, right? And I think that there's a little improvement on your pore size too.
Yeah.
It seems that your pore have been improved too. That's so good, right?
Very good.
Because not only they improve the acne scar, but they also improve the pore size
pores
too.
also.
Yeah.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Yeah. Thank you, Khab. Glad to make you happy.
Thank you. I'm so happy.
Yeah, and make your career easier.
Exactly.
A little easier. Right?
2 weeks or 3 weeks after the treatment, I feel like, oh my god, I feel like this is the new skin. Baby, this is baby skin. I'm so happy with the results with Juvgen 3D here. Thank you, period.